again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So Tobe Glam has sent me over their two new Polygel kits. So this is their nail extension gel kit. You're a queen, I love that. So this is the red collection, and we've also got their pink collection. It's all about you. What I love about these is it's just the colours, so you don't have to keep buying the dual foams, top coat, base coat. This has just got 6 15mm tubes in each. So we'll quickly have a look at this one first. This is the pink collection. Hello gorgeous. Yeah, I like that it's just the colours. So we've got this cute little envelope. This is teeny weeny. It used to be bigger in the bigger kits, but smaller kit, smaller envelope. Isn't that cute? So this has just got step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Quite detailed actually, 5 and 6. And on the back there is all their details, and then it's got a few tips and tricks and little troubleshooting kind of things. Cute. Make sure you always read that, guys, especially if you're a newbie. So I'm quickly just gonna swatch these colours on a lint-free wipe. So firstly, they're all foil sealed. We're gonna swatch Stories. So this is the pink kit. I like this. This is like a sheer kind of pink. Then we've got Memory. This is a same shade but like an opaque version of the first one, isn't it? Cute, I like it. Then we've got Secret. This is a unique colour. I really like that. It's got a peachy tone to it. I don't have a colour like that. I really like it. Then we've got Forever. Again, this is quite a unique colour. I really like it. It's like a cherry kind of pink. Really opaque and creamy. Then we've got The Feels. This is a holographic. It's like a rose gold, lavender-ish kind of colour. It's got small hex and a fine in there. Super hollow and sparkly. And lastly out the pink kit, this one's called I'm Fine. Same thing, except this one's silver. I think this one's got a little bit bigger hex mix in that one. Super sparkly and hollow. So quickly moving on to the red collection, we've got Wink. That's a nice, they're all nice, and there's some really unique shades. Then we've got Pretty. This is like a deep, like dusty rose kind of colour. Again, it's a unique colour that I don't have. And then we've got Charm. Look at this, guys. This is an even like deeper kind of cherry red. It's a really cute, unique colour. And again, it's really pigmented and creamy. Then we've got All That. It's like a deep burgundy, deep burgundy kind of pink. And then this one, The Shining, no, it's just Shining, is jam-packed full of red sparkle. It's not hollow or anything, it's just metallic, ultra fine kind of sparkle. Gorgeous. And lastly out the red kit, we've got Infatuation. And that's like a, again, it's like a burgundy kind of red, but that one's got an ultra fine holographic. I like all of these. Some really unique colours in amongst them. These transparent ones I was really feeling today. I think them are the two that I used actually. Yeah, so that's the pink collection on the top, and that's the red collection on the bottom. Some really creamy opaque ones, holographic glittery ones, couple of transparent ones. Really nice mix of colours, isn't it? So I'm going to get straight in and do something with these today. I'm going to get this left hand filed off. These have been on nearly 3 weeks, guys. No lifting. As long as you prep your nails properly, you won't get any lifting. I lost one caviar bead there and one there. That is it. This was the gel box builder in a bottle. Is what that was. So I'm using these nail tips that came out of their nail tips and gel set. It's the little kit that comes with the nail glue and the mini lamp. They are just long coffin. but they're not etched on the inside, so we're quickly just going to etch. You need to get the shiny surface out from inside the tip, because we're going to be doing lazy girl method today. So just get the shine out from the inside of those tips, just like that. Scratch them all up. So my nails, they're already prepped, ready to go. I'm just buffing off the shiny surface of my natural nail. Make sure you buff them off. And I'm using Born Pretty dehydrator and Born Pretty primer. If you want to see how I prep my nails, guys, I've got a little playlist going now where I've done a couple of removal and prep videos if you want to watch those. So I've pulled out of this mix these little pink metallic hearts. I thought they were quite cute, and this is TCT 400 from the Colours World. And I've pulled out of there as well these little 4-pointed stars. Can you see them? Just about. They are very transparent, them little stars. So we're going to use the base coat, and I'm going to give the inside of these tips a coat of base coat, and I've left the base coat wet. I'm just going to stick these hearts into that wet base coat. Yeah, we're working on the inside of the tip, guys, for Lazy Girl method. So I'm just going to put some of them little 4-pointed stars. I didn't want them right up to the tip, and I didn't want them right up to the cuticle. I kind of just wanted them clustered around the middle of the nail. So once I'm happy with where all them hearts and stars are, that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I've done exactly the same on the pointer finger. That's the pointer finger, that's gone in the lamp as well. So back to the pinky. I'm using Stories. This was the first one that I swatched. It's slightly transparent, and I'm going to keep it really thin at the cuticle area, and I'm going to make sure I get the polygel right up the sides of that tip. Completely fill that tip. Keep it thin at the cuticle and thin at the tip. Thickest part needs to be around the middle area, or the top third. And then I forgot, we need to base coat my natural nails. So quickly going in with the base coat, just a nice thin even coat, and I've stuck them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now let's get this put on. So I'm just going to press it on gently and push it up towards my cuticle area as close as I can get it. Don't let the product touch your skin, just leave a teeny tiny little gap, nice and flat underneath. And then that's gone in the lamp for 60 seconds. And again, I've done exactly the same with the pointer finger. So now I'm going to use Secret, and is that one called I'm Fine, I think. And I wanted this glittery one just on the tip of the nail. I wanted to do like a bit of a fade. So I'm doing the tip first, and then I've dried my brush off. It's easier to fade the polygel with a brush that's a bit dry. And I'm just going to pull little bits of that glitter up, just to fade it off slightly up the nail. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, just a half a cure, just so it doesn't move when I put this next colour on. So now I'm going in with the Secret. This is a beautiful colour. And I'm just going to do what I did on them first two nails now, nice and thin at the cuticle area. Make sure I get it right up the sides of that tip. You don't have to pull it right down to the tip, but I did, because I didn't want the nail tip transparent in between the glitter. I wanted this pink to go underneath it. So I'm going to pull this polygel right down and fill that whole tip. It kept flopping about on my tip stand, so I ended up having to take it off. So same thing, I'm just going to fill that whole tip. Then again, once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to press it onto my nail and push it up towards my cuticle area. Make sure you don't touch your skin, but if you do get any that's leaked out the sides, use a bit of alcohol on your brush and just wipe it away. Otherwise you'll end up having to file it, so it's easier to get rid of it now. And then that's gone in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I've done exactly the same on the middle finger and the thumb. Didn't need to see me doing them again. So I am just gonna use a lint-free wipe and a bit of alcohol, get rid of any stickiness, any tackiness, and I'm going to give them a little bit of a file. I just like to file up the sides. Oh, firstly, these tips, they've got little nubs, like little bits of nubby plastic bits on the tips, so I've just got rid of them. So yeah, I like to file up the sides and around the cuticle area, just where you can see the edge of the tip. I like to just blend that in a little bit more with my natural nail, so you can't see the edge of the tip. Yeah, there's no shaping to do at all because the tip's done that for you. So I'm just going to quickly file around my sides and cuticle area, and then I'm going to use a buffer and I'm going to buff off all the shiny surface on all of them. So that's them all filed and buffed off and cleaned off, ready for a little bit of artwork. So I've pulled out Tobe Glam's nail art gels. This is their liner gels. I'm just going to use one. This one's called Sweetheart, and I just thought it matched those little love hearts perfectly. So we're going to use that. So on the pointer finger, I'm just going to write the words XO quite roughly, and then I'll go in and neaten them up a little bit in a minute. And on the ring finger, I'm just going to do a little love art, but I'm going to do a love art where it kind of crisscrosses over at the bottom. And these are just regular gels. They need curing in the lamp for 30 seconds. I will leave links below, guys, to everything that I've used today. Most of this I got from Amazon, or Tobe Glam sent it over from Amazon. I think these are all available on their website as well, but I will leave links to everything I've used below, and I've got a 15% discount code for the Tobe Glam website. I'll leave that below as well. So I've pulled out some of these these are called mocha gems. I'm going to use a couple of the dark pink ones and a couple of transparent ones. Just put a little bit of blingage on these and caviar beads, and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys. How easy were they? Lazy Girl method is so quick and easy. Brilliant for beginners. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll leave links to everything below with my discount code. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.